All right. Looking across the industry, there's a clear pattern of agentic AI pilots just never making it to production. Now, AI teams know how to write agents. That's not the problem. The problem is they lack the operational expertise around security, observability, and governance to support those agents when they're in production. It's critical that as platform teams, we meet and partner with these AI teams to deliver production-grade agentic infrastructure on Kubernetes.
So this is why we, the platform engineering team, need to bring right now all those frameworks and those MCP tools to Kubernetes. But there is some gap. So let's look at the first gap, networking. When we're talking about networking, usually we're talking about requests. And request consists from a header and a body. In the header, you find all the instructions for where and how to route. And in the body, you'll find the context itself. Until today, we will never needed to look at the body. All we did is header manipulation. But now, with AI, we have to look at the body. We don't have a choice, as important information is there. So let me give you some example. LLM consumption. Let's say that I want to route based on rate limiting based on token, right? What we need to do, we need to go to the body, take the agent context, send it to basically tokenize that, and then rate based this. So again, I need to go to the body to take that context. If we're talking about MCP, it's even more clear, right? Because MCP is a JSON RPC over HTTP. So the HTTP part is the header. But the JSON RPC, all the data, and we need all the tools, is actually in the body. There are great proxies out there. And all of them implement perfectly all the way to the layer 7. We, as Envoy company, when we wanted to add the functionality of AI to the proxy, we, of course, tried to put it inside Envoy. And with LLM consumption, it was tough. We needed to tweak Envoy a little bit, but somehow we make it work. But when MCP came, it was a clear thing that we will not be able to do this without re-architect Envoy, and that will take years. So we made a decision. We basically made a decision to build, from the ground up, a data plane in Rust that will give us everything we need for AI. So we started, and of course, first, we needed to implement all the first layer 7, because AI workloads still need retry and timeout. Then we added what we're calling the 8th layer, the context layer, to focus on LLM consumption, inference, agent and MCP connectivity. We had support for Kubernetes Gateway API. We open source it, we call it agentgateway, and we donated it to the Linux Foundation for Open Government. Building this data plane for the ground up make it really, really useful not only for functionality, but also for performance. Today, agentgateway has a jaw-dropping performance in terms of throughput and resource consumption. There was a great study out there with public benchmark. I really recommend you to check it out.
All right, connectivity is the critical first step for agentic infrastructure. But just like with connectivity and traffic and getting inside the body, we need to get inside for an agentic platform the actual workload and container. Tool servers, agents are not normal stateless applications. They need to attach to memory, identity, and policy to drive stateful, human-in-the-loop workflows. Kubernetes itself needs to be extended to become a context-aware runtime to support that. To help with this, at KubeCon London, we donated the kagent project to the CNCF, and that community has grown at an incredible rate. Kagent extends Kubernetes to turn tools and agents into first-class workloads on the platform, where I can secure, observe, and get end-to-end observability for those agents and tools, regardless of the agentic framework or the environment that I'm running in. Now, we talk to the community and our customers, and we know that there's one more component that's missing for a full agentic AI production stack, and that's a context-aware registry, so that I can publish, discover, and manage the lifecycle of agents, tools, and models on my platform. To help with that, we're really excited to announce today that we are open sourcing a project called Agent Registry. Agent Registry is a context-aware registry that handles full lifecycle management of AI artifacts for your developers to consume and your platform teams to manage. Agent Registry can federate multiple private and public registries, handle curation of your catalog with scoring and evaluation criteria, have access control policies, and can actually support private registries.